Oh.
Hi, sheep. Oh, ASMR crunch. Can you see your face? Oh. So Brian has. So scared. All right, are we live? All right, everyone. Welcome to our first IRL stream. I wanted to have you guys join us at the pumpkin patch because I haven't been to one yet here in Vegas ever since we moved. So there's one pumpkin patch that is on an actual farm. I'm excited. I haven't been to a farm in a while. I love seeing animals, and of course I want to see the pumpkin patch. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera. Oh, I can hear the chickens. Okay, here we are. So we're at McKee Ranch. Is it? Oh shoot, I thought it was
Can I pay here?
one entry. You have to check in here? Oh, never mind. Welcome check-in. I'm just gonna face the camera to us because there's a bunch of kids in front of us.
Oh, look.
What? Oh! Hello.
I just donated to the Venmo app over there.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is your ticket for a pumpkin of your choice.
Okay.
Just bring that back on your way out, and then you do a bag of carrots to feed the animals.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Should we take one out?
Thank you.
Make sure carrots.
Carrots to feed the animals? In there or everywhere?
Doesn't matter. Anywhere.
Okay. We're gonna feed the animals. Ooh, cute. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ah. He's kicking. He knows I have carrots. Yes, I have carrots for you. You want to hold? Oh.
Oh, you want more? Okay, Vegas. Okay.
Okay, so his name's Vegas. Here, I'll go this way. Get out of here.
We're out of here, actually. Do you guys want extras?
Oh, we have a brand new one, sure. Cool, thank you. Oh, oh my gosh, so this guy's Vegas. Oh, he's still chewing. Okay. So Vegas is 38 years old, retired racehorse. I've been here a long time. He's 16 years, so I'm bony and skinny naturally. There's this guy behind us too. Yes. Oh yes. Yes, of course. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Here, I'm gonna do it one more. 1, 2, 3. And I'll do this way as well. Yes, of course. He wants food. Do you want carrots? It's for them, yeah.
Oh, it's for them?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm guessing it's getting that son of
Yeah, so here, this is.
So I just give it?
Yeah. Just be careful because he'll eat it out of your hand. Yeah, so you can just give it to him. Oh.
I cannot throw it, right?
No. Yeah, you want to put it close to his mouth. You can do a longer piece, I know. He's fine, he's nice. There you go. Yep. There's one in here too. 23-year-old paint mirror. Hi. Oh, you're sweet. Oh my god. You want to just walk around? Okay. I can hold it now if you want. Okay. Oh, they have tractor ride. Oh, crochet. So cute. I've always wanted to learn. So good, yeah. Oh, chicken. Show mochi. We're gonna go to the ponies.
Oh, it's real.
Yes, yeah. Real life merry-go-round. Horseback riding. There's sheep. Hi, sheep. Chicken. Oh, you feed them. You haven't fed them yet. This barn has cowboy boots. It's pretty cool. Hello. General. Oh gosh. Hey.
What's up,
Go feed him. I'll hold your carrots. Okay. Oh. Oh, there's bunnies. There's bunnies. There's bunnies. There's bunnies. I don't have carrots, General. Oh. This guy's just chilling over here. Oh, Duncan is 28 years old. A native Nevadan, and Miss Mary Lamb is his roommate.
Yeah.
You think he wants a carrot? No, I don't think he doesn't want any. Never mind. Oh, this guy wants some. Oh. Ooh. Wow, look. Big boy. Richard the Great. Nice. Oh, Clipper. It's an 8-year-old. Yay. Can I feed one? I'll try because I was very skittish earlier.
They're gentle.
Huh?
They're really gentle.
I know. Here we go. Oh. Oh, crunchy. ASMR crunch. You see? Bunnies. Actually, this guy's probably spoiled because he's the easiest one to feed. Oh no. He's brushing his teeth against the rail. Let's go to the other side. I can hold it if you want. Oh, Piggy! Oh, Piggy! Yes, you can feed, but don't tell Fat Stewart. Oh my gosh.
Where's Fat Stewart?
Who's
at?
Fat Stewart?
Oh,
Is
that
Fat
guy.
Stewart back there? Stella. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. I know you probably want your privacy. Okay, we're gonna walk around to see Fat Stewart. Hopefully you guys are enjoying. Excuse me, Mr. Rooster. He's right in my foot. We're gonna go see Fat Stewart. Please do not feed our fat pig. Okay. Are you Fat Stewart? Howdy, I'm Stewart. Oh, we can't feed you. Can I see your face? Oh! Oh my goodness.
He's really is.
He is really... Maybe you don't need any more food. Oh, the ear wiggles. Where's your eyes? Can you beat that?
Oh,
Okay. That's perfect. Okay, gonna go around. I need to make sure I'm looking at where I'm going.
Have you chosen a pumpkin yet?
Oh, that's right. I have not chosen a pumpkin yet. Thanks for reminding me, kid. Oh, we're literally entering the corn maze. So, corn maze. This is their corn maze. In the corn maze. Chicken. So this is their corn maze. They have dried husks of corn. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, and here we have our first checkpoint. I'm pretty sure it just goes around. Turn back if I were you. Oh. We went around. We did it. We did the corn maze. Just wave. You want to hold a pumpkin? Oh my god. Your pumpkin. That's good. Yay. So after this one, we might check out one more pumpkin patch that's closer to our place. That one has like amusement rides. Halloween Town, right? Yeah, that one has rides. It's more like a fair setup, where this is more the farm. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So cute. Oh! What's happening? But it's funny because they all moved in a crowd. Oh! I think I've seen everything now, right?
Okay.
Could get rid of all the carrots.
So we'll just
Should we give it to...
the horses.
Yeah, give it to the horses in the barn. There's still a good bit in here. Okay, we're back to the first place. I'm so scared. Oh, his hair's braided. I didn't notice that earlier. Hi, buddy. Please be nice. Oh, he's actually really nice. Good job. I'll give you one more. A bigger one. Yes. Okay, I have to save some for the others. Star pony. Oh my god. Here, I'll give you. They're all short. Oh, there's a little bit of a bite, not a biter, but a grabber. Here you go. I have one more. I don't know. Should I go back to the others? It's really small. I'm like,
The basic donkey.
oh yeah. Wait, I've never been around here. Oh no, just kidding. Do not feed. Sorry. I can't feed you. He's a Sebastian in Stardew Valley. He's the emo horse. Oh my gosh, baby goats! In honor of our dog Mika, who currently looks like a goat because she has no hair right now. She was shedding. Hey, you see? See, the one in the back really looks like Mika. I only have one. Dang it. Okay, are you ready? You want carrot? Oh, oh. Oh, no, you dropped it. I'll get it.
All of that again.
Here, how about you? You want a carrot? You guys are probably sick of carrots. You know what? Personally, I also don't like carrots. There's nothing else in here. Oh, no, that's just paper. No? Dang it, why did I pick this up? What about Boomer? You guys probably don't want carrots, though, because there's a bunch on the ground. You want carrot?
No?
Bye, Mika's ancestor. I'm just joking. You're so cute. I don't have anything for you. Hello. Can I pet you? I don't know what part of your head you like. Can I pet you? Don't bite me. Oh. Hi. Oh my gosh. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. Grabbed my hand. You grabbed my sleeve. It's okay. I forgive you. It's my fault for wearing long sleeves today. Oh, the sheep. You want... Wait. You don't want your... They don't like carrots. What about General? He's still looking. Hey. So anticlimactic that you gave it to him. Here you go. That wraps our McKee Ranch pumpkin patch portion. You'll pick the pumpkin. You still have to pick the pumpkin. So how do you do the pumpkin thing?
How do we
Claim the pumpkin.
Something?
I think so, yeah.
Oh,
So
wait.
any pumpkin in the ranch.
Oh, I see.
Oh, okay, cool. Just go grab one.
Okay. And there's a lot of pretty ones.
That guy maybe?
The one on the right.
Or left.
You pick. This is us picking our pumpkin. Yay. All right. Yes, thank you.
Have a good
Yes,
day.
you too.
just
How's
leave it
your
on.
pumpkin?
Ready. Are we gonna carve it?
Yeah, I kind of want one more. I really wasn't going to participate in pumpkin carving this
Well,
year.
you can have this one. Maybe you carve it.
No, but oh, maybe we can carve it together. Okay, yeah. That's a cute place. So this is an actual farm that is open year round, and I believe admission is free. But of course, they take donations. For the pumpkin patch, they are accepting $25 donations. Okay, he said turn that way. Yay! The pumpkin patch is over there. Okay, we're gonna switch. Oh my gosh. Oh. All right, hey.
Ma'am, if you get out of your car and you leave it, they will tell you. This is
Oh.
private property.
Okay. Or
Has
the
no-
garage.
The underground garage.
I would just do
please.
that. Thank you so much. Ow. I thought she was gonna yell at me for my camera. I'm like, ma'am. But it's okay. She's just overstimulated, I'm pretty sure. This is a very overly stimulating job.
She basically just said go park.
Yeah, and honestly, she was warning us to not get towed, which I appreciate because there was no signs in this gravelly area. So she told us to park in the garage, which I feel perfectly safe to do. Ouch. All right, let's go. Well, we don't have tickets, so how do we do this?
Hi.
Hello.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
Eric said 12
Thank
spots.
you. Oh, she was so sweet. She even felt bad when she was yelling at us. I was like, it's okay. I was just surprised. I really thought that she was gonna tell us to turn off the camera or something. But no, it was our parking. So no, I forgive her. She was very sweet. This is cute. Okay, I'm turning around the camera. Pumpkin patch. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, but here you have to buy the pumpkins. So snowballs. Yeah, because we had our own. Yeah. Wee wee little pumpkin. Look at this little pumpkin. Caramel apple chips. Pumpkin spice latte to pumpkin. Oh, I wish. Okay. So bouncy house. Bucket toss. Alright, so over there, deep fried Oreos, apple cider donuts, $3 each, deep fried Twinkies, lemonade, pies, cone cup. I think I'm gonna go for my apple cider donut. Kids only, so it's tiny.
Hi, what are you eating?
Oh, that smells so good. Look at all the things. I think I'll have
churros.
no. What did I say I wanted earlier? Apple cider donut. All right, Brian made an official call. I am gonna get my apple cider donuts. Yay! I'm excited. Because I think I can buy just one if it's just a full donut. If they come in more than 3 pieces, I don't want to waste any food. So, I'll take the sacrifice today. Wait, I'm hoping that means apple cider donuts, right? Because it just says apple cider. What if it's the drink?
Yeah.
I think it's just the drink.
I think it's the drink.
So there might not be apple cider donuts.
What's so sad?
I didn't think that could mean.
Oreos, banana bread. The
I mean,
apple
I
cider
didn't-
donuts is from the other place,
Which one?
the Gillespie farm.
I just thought they all had it.
No, I don't think so.
Maybe I'll get a funnel cake, yeah. Do you want anything? Corn dog? Hi! Can I get one corn dog and one normal funnel cake?
Normal funnel.
Yes.
Anything to drink?
No.
That's one corn dog and a funnel cake. It comes to $12.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
I need a corn dog! I need a corn dog! Corn dog! Thank you! Jesus.
It's okay. Thank you.
Just take it right over to the gentleman in the orange shirt and
Great.
you'll get that funnel.
Thank you. Yes. Wait, just ketchup? Yeah. Oh, okay. So no apple cider donuts.
Good though.
park their car there and the tow trucks this way.
Hi. It's just one funnel cake.
One funnel cake.
Yep.
Okay, this gets you a funnel cake and 2 jokes.
Oh, okay. I'll take it.
Joke number 1 is, what do you say when you drive by a cemetery?
I don't know. What do you say?
People are dying to get in there. Okay. Joke number 2
Okay.
is, how do you catch a unique rabbit?
A unique rabbit. I don't know. How do you
You
do it?
unique up on them.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
the chocolate and caramel right behind you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. That was pretty good. Chocolate or caramel? Caramel? No, chocolate. You mean here? Or over there? Over there, in the orange one? Okay. Ah! Oh my gosh! Is it front? Is it facing you? It's facing me. My churros. After almost 3 weeks of no carbs or sugar. No one cares about that today. But we got churros. Ryan just took a bite out of his corn dog, even though I said show the corn dog. Oh. Is it crispy?
Yeah. So good.
This might be our last stop, but churros. No, not churros. Funnel cake. Thumbnail. I have water in the car. I do need water right now. My churro. I mean, funnel cake. Sorry, I'm just eating. I don't have to finish this. I shouldn't finish this, actually.
We're running away.
Why? What happened? Oh no!
It's in the Coke now.
It's in the Coke. Yeah.
Let him drink the Coca-Cola.
That's true.
He's gonna be hyper B.
Oh. They need sweets.
Huh?
They need sweets.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I mean, I would leave too.
Where's the garbage can?
Try to throw it out.
Huh?
Try to throw it out.
No. Just take it home. What's this?
So Brian has to. Is that it?
Yeah.
We're good.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
What
Alright,
is that?
I'm ready to leave.
What? What is this?
It's fried flour. I'm pretty sure that's what funnel cake is.
It's magical.
And it was already pre-made, so they didn't like squirt it. The kid was really freaked out. I had fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay. I think this is it. I mean, I pretty much saw everything. Whoever is tuned in, hope you guys enjoyed our short day in the live stream, or in real live stream, whatever you want to call it. Hopefully it went well. This is our first time using it with this program that we're just found today. So I'll see you guys next stream. That's it. Bye-bye.